How was your 9 month stay inside your mother?
I think it was quite comfortable
Yes, very cozy.
and safe.
Very comfortable, free feeding, free rent. But recently it became noisy. Everybody was pushing me now. Oh,
My boy, what profession are you planning to choose? I would like to know.
doctor like you, or engineer, or even musician. I'll decide after I see which one brings fast money. Because normally be cocoa.
Do you just like that viral video you just watched? Yes, I know you love it. And that's why I'm going to show you how to make them easy peasy. You're just going to follow the few steps I'm going to show you and you'll be able to generate a baby talking video. Yes, it's AI and it's possible for you to tell AI what you want it to do for you. So if you want to learn this, do have to stick to me to the end of this video because I have everything packed step by step that will enable you achieve this even without having the knowledge of AI from the beginning. Hi everyone, my name is Gloria Pell and you're welcome to Gloria Pell Space, where we talk about AI and we teach AI everything you need to know about how to generate videos, images with AI. So right now, I'm going to show you how to make this baby viral video. Go ahead now and watch, subscribe, like, and comment.
So first of all, we head on to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. You can always tweak your own prompts as you deem please, you get as you want to. So I tried to be creative in this aspect and wrote down this prompt like, give me a script of a male doctor and a female nurse with a newborn baby. And this male doctor is asking the baby some funny interview questions. The mother of the newborn is lying on the bed with smiles on her face, looking at the male doctor as he asks the newborn some funny interview questions. The characters should be Nigerians in a Nigerian setting. So I'm just going to send this to ChatGPT and let's see what it will give us. So we have it. Absolutely, here is a light, funny, short skit style script in a Nigerian hospital. So seeing this, I went on ahead. I needed a more comedy like. I needed the baby to actually talk. Babies don't talk, but this AI, I can actually tell AI to do whatever I wanted to do, right? Because those baby funny videos you do watch on different social medias like TikTok and so on, the baby gets to actually talk. So I wanted the baby to talk to make the whole skit thing more funny. You get, so the next thing I had to do was to like give ChatGPT this prompt. Please make the baby respond to the questions. It's a funny script. So if the baby gets to talk in response to the question asked, it will make the whole script more funny. You get. So it went on to give me this answer. Say no more. Let's turn this baby into a full-blown Nigerian newborn with opinions. Here's a funny dialogue, heavy skit, blah, blah, blah. And it gave me everything the baby would be saying. So here the doctor was asking, good afternoon, distinguished guest. Welcome to Nigeria. Please, what is your name? And he's like, for now, call me chairman. I will choose my real name later. And the nurse, I said, doctor, this one has already entered leadership. Mama is smiling just like a father. So we're already getting that vibe of funny skits that we actually need. And then we're going to go ahead to generate image for this scene. We're going to generate image prompts rather for this scene. So the next thing I'm going to tell ChatGPT is give me an image prompt for each. Okay, first of all, let me I like giving accolades to it. Lovely. I like this. I like this. So I'll just stop there and say, now, this is just what I just do basically. It's not really something it's not a must. It's something I just personalize myself. Now, give me an image prompt for each of the scene. For each of the scene. Or for the scenes. Let me just reply it for the scenes. So I will then send it. So here we have it. We have scene 1, we have scene 2, we have scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, and then this. It's not so much, right? It's just a skit. So having 6 scenes is very, very okay. So it's perfect. So the next thing we are going to do now is to tell ChatGPT to give us the image of these scenes. ChatGPT is so sweet that you can do so much with it, especially if you can get the plus, like if you can upgrade it without having to use the free version. But of course, the free version is always so good. It can give you at least, I think, up to 4 images you can get from using the free versions per day. So even if you want to get so many images, you can, and you don't want to upgrade, you can just plan yourself and say, okay, I want 12 images. Then just know that you're going to generate this for 3 days, or you can get another phone to do that basically. So we're just going to go ahead now to generate the main image for this scene, for this our baby video. Create an image of, then we go ahead to the first one. Of course, we have to start from the first one. So we're just going to copy and come down here and just paste it. Good. Then we send and let ChatGPT do its magic. So it's just going to generate So as you can see, it's generated already. We are seeing the doctor, sorry, the nurse happy, and our newborn is here. We don't know if it's a girl or a boy, but our newborn is here basically. We are not specific in terms of the baby gender. So the next thing we are going to do is just create another. We're just going to type in create an image of, we head on to the second one. This is what you're just going to do basically until you are done generating all the prompts, all the image prompts. You're done generating image from all the image prompts of a, please, good, of create an image of a close up. Okay, let me don't put so create an image. Okay, so please, let's mindful of our English here. Create a close up of a newborn. Okay, an image close-up of a newborn. So let's always read so as to be sure of what we are telling AI to do. So I'm just going to click again. So this is basically what we are going to do till we are done generating all the images. I'm just going to go offline now, and generate all the 5 scenes. So we are going to come back and continue. Now that we've successfully generated the 6 images, we are just going to download them so as to save it. So that's what we are going to do, just to save it so that we can get it saved into our gallery. Please ensure you get it saved, because when ChatGPT generates image for you, it doesn't automatically flows to your phone library. You have to save it yourself. They give you an option to know if it's what you need or not. So save it because it's gotten what you want. Then now we head on to GROK AI. So before using GROK, when you open GROK, it may be showing you this interface of ask. Always go to the imagine, or I imagine, I don't know what's called, imagine part of it. Go to it and carry on with your project. So we're just going to click on animate photo and pick the first one. So here's the first one. I'm going to pick it up, and then we head on to ChatGPT again to bring in what we want GROK AI to state for us. I hope this thing is well explanatory enough, because I had to make sure that I run it like a beginner friendly tutorial. Okay, so now we have this. I think this is one. Yeah, this is one we're making use of. So we're just going to pick up this. So we have where Dr. Tunde says, "Good afternoon, distinguished guests. Welcome to Nigeria. Please, what's your name?" So we can just pick in this, "Good afternoon, distinguished guests. Welcome to Nigeria."
You little one, so perfect.
A real fighter. Congratulations.
Thank you. We couldn't have done it without you. Look at you, little one, so perfect.
A real fighter. Congratulations.
Thank you. We couldn't have done it without you. Look at you, little one, so perfect.
A real.
Let it me doctor when I say hello. Remember to put it in brackets, because that's what you want the character to say. Hello, distinguished guest. Welcome to the world. Good. Then we send. So we're just going to hold on and see. I'll wait for it to load. Yeah.
Distinguished guests, welcome to the world. Hello, distinguished guests, welcome to the world.
Hello, distinguished guests, welcome to the world. Are you seeing it? So he already said
Hello,
that.
distinguished guests, welcome to the world.
So
hello, distinguished guests, welcome to the world.
And make it say, or let me even add it.
Hello, distinguished guests, welcome to the world.
What is your name?
Hello, distinguished guests, welcome to the world.
So, because GROK is able to.
Hello, distinguished guests, welcome to the world.
Generate 6 seconds video. So that was why I actually stopped.
Hello, distinguished guests, welcome to the world.
I thought it will not be able to give me the what's your name. So let's give it a try and see.
Hello,
if it
distinguished
can also
guests,
generate
welcome
that
to the
at
world.
Once. So we're just going to close the bracket and generate.
Hello, distinguished guest. Welcome to the world. What is your name?
So this.
Hello, distinguished guest. Welcome to the world. What is your name?
So you see, this actually works.
Hello, distinguished guest. Welcome to the world. What is your name?
Head on and import the next image. So here, I just had to import the second image because I want GROK emphasis on the baby. Like, so I said, let the baby talk out and say in a Nigerian voice. For now, call me chairman. I will choose my real name later. So I'm just going to send it.
For now, come chairman, I'll choose my real name later.
Oh yeah?
Come chairman, I'll choose my real name later.
Are you guys seeing that? Even
Oh
the
yeah?
doctor is laughing.
And what should I call you?
For now, come chairman, I'll choose my real name later.
So I'm just going to download even myself.
Oh yeah?
I'm laughing.
And what should I call you?
For now, come chairman, I'll choose my real name later.
So I'm just going to download
Oh
that.
yeah? And what should I call you?
For now, come
Head
chairman.
on to import the next image. The next image based on the next. Doctor, this one is already in. This one has already entered leader. I'm going to import an image of maybe where the nurse is, and I'll just put let the nurse in blue see. You just need to be creative in this one. Yes, it gave me its prompts, but I'm also being creative about it because I want it to come out well. You understand? So it gave me its image prompt. So I'm just choosing the image that best fits what I want to actually see, what I want the image to see. So I'm just going to put in brackets, let the nurse in blue see. It's doctor. I don't know, for some reason, I don't know why I'm not able to paste. If I try pasting, it's not working. It has never happened before. I don't know whether it's something related to my phone, but regardless, we'll move on. So doctor, this one has already entered leadership. This one has already entered leadership. So let me see. Yeah, that's all. Then put a full stop and close brackets.
Doctor, this one has already entered leadership. Look at that strong pointing. A future leader, for sure.
So having shown you how to turn image to video on GROK, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go and generate the rest of this short funny video, then move all the generated video clips to CapCut in order to assemble them as they should. CapCut or any other editing app of your choice will help you to trim out unwanted parts of the clip so as to get a seamless video flow. Now let's head on to watch our video after all said has been done.
Hello, distinguished guest. Welcome to the world. What is your name?
For now, come chairman, I'll choose my real name later.
Doctor, this one has already entered leadership. Look at that strong pointing. A future leader, for sure. Just like his father.
Chairman, were you aware before coming that sleep is no longer guaranteed in this country?
Yes, that's why I plan to wake everybody up together. Equality.
Fair is fair. No discrimination. You're so right, cute little one.
How was your 9-month stay inside your mother?
I think it was quite comfortable
Yes, very cozy.
and safe.
Very comfortable. Free feeding, free rent. But recently it became noisy. Everybody was pushing me.
I'm so sorry, my little one. Thank God you're out now.
Who are you close to, daddy or mommy?
Mommy, she carried me for 9 months. Why did they only started shouting when he saw hospital bill?
Omo, this baby is not a play or true Nigerian speaking. He's a strong one.
Speaking of bills, what's your plan for Nigerian economy?
I will start by reducing the price of milk, diapers. Then as chairman, where I go look into full price.
Please start with fuel, oh. We are begging you, oh. What profession are you planning to choose, my cute boy?
Doctor like you or engineer or even musician. I'll decide after I see which one brings fast money. Because now money be cocoa.
My boy, any final words to viewers watching you right now?
Yes, I best subscribe to this channel. Promise be a good boy.
Doctor, please discharge this baby before he starts paying taxes.
Haha, good point, nurse. We'll get the paperwork started.
Yes, please.
He's perfect. Congratulations.
Oh, my sweet baby. He's beautiful. Hello, my sweet baby. You're so precious. I love you so much.
Thank you, mommy. Now where's my food? Oh, I'm hungry.
It is done. I guess you enjoyed every part of it. Now you want to make sure that you go ahead to watch this video on how to use GROK to maintain voice consistency in videos, because even when you finish generating your images, like you see in this one I did, you see I was able to maintain voice consistency too. So you want to go ahead to learn that actual part on how to maintain voice consistency, so that if you are doing your AI videos in terms of your folktales and whatsoever thing you may be trying to use AI to do, your voice will remain consistent. Also, if you're yet to subscribe, do well to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be dropping useful packages like this that will enable you navigate through AI tools seamlessly, effortlessly, and use it efficiently. So you want to go ahead now and subscribe, like, and also comment if there's anything you want. Like if you need a prompt I used for this, go ahead to place it in the comment section. I will definitely do well to provide that solution for you. And until we meet again, continue creating, and see you in my next one.